Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the roof ready. Enter build mode and switch to the roof tool so you can sculpt shapes precisely. Once done, set grid to 1/2 for finer alignment and gather the window items you plan to use. Make sure to add a temporary floor or scaffold to reach the roof. This helps with placement and visualizing cut lines. You need these basics out of the way before you alter roof planes. They save time and reduce mistakes. Next, you create the actual opening and place the window. Select the roof plane and lower, or remove a small section where the window will sit. Then switch to the window item and resize it to your desired dimensions. Rotating in 15-degree steps keeps angles clean. Place the window at the edge of the opening and nudge with arrow keys or 0. 5 grid increments for perfect fit. This method prevents clipping and maintains roof lines. To finish, you seal gaps and blend the window into the roof. Add trim pieces or tiny roof segments above and below the opening to prevent visible seams, and match exterior colors for cohesion. Make sure to inspect from ground and attic camera angles, then tweak height or rotation until shadows and sill lines look natural. If the window clips or refuses to sit right, duplicate it, try the duplicate in its place, and swap. This often clears stubborn placement bugs without rebuilding the roof.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.